Transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Kula pamoja, kucheka pamoja na kuomba pamoja. Haya yawe nyenzo za siri ya upendo wetu kama familia, kama jamii na kama taifa.
Kupata pamoja kama skiza tune yako, dial *811*620#.
Stay connected to DSTV this April and May and get all the football finals you want.